Hi, I'm Donovan Rogers from the SWAT Help Desk, and today we're going to be looking at GeoGebra, which is a math app that students and teachers can use to help learn geometry and algebra. If you go to geogebra.org, you'll see three menus. The first is Browse Materials, which is mainly for teachers looking for materials to use in their classroom, but also students looking for study guides. And these are different applications that other people who use GeoGebra have made, and many of them are interactive. The second, Start GeoGebra, lets you open the app itself, and you'll see that there are different applications, but really these are all just the same things with different tool sets. So if we take a look at algebra, we'll see that it looks sort of like a graphing calculator, where you have a number pad and different functions, and on the left you have a list of functions that you have, and in the middle a graph. So let's say I wanted to graph a logarithmic function. So we do y equals, and you see that there's no log function, but you can choose different keyboard windows, or you can also just type in log, and you'll see a pop-up list, and you can do this for many different functions. So I'll put x in, press enter, and you can see it graphs it immediately. The geometry window is similar, but it's just mostly a blank sheet where you have these tools at the top that you can use to create points, lines, shapes, and other objects that you can use to teach geometry. There's also one spreadsheet window where you can calculate data and statistics. If you don't want to use it on the web, you can also download it as either an app for the Surface Pro, as a Windows desktop app, as well as other operating systems, or if you're a student in class, you can get it on your phone if you have an Android system. Let's look at some of the materials people have made for GeoGebra. This app gives you a scatter plot where you can try to find a function that will give a line of best fit. I would probably use an exponential function here. This app lets you drag two different points to try and graph a linear function, a proof of the Pythagorean theorem by using moving shapes. And there's even science applications, like this one which demonstrates standing waves. I do hope you try out GeoGebra, as it's something you have to experience for yourself to really understand how useful it can be. Be sure to follow the SWAT Help Desk, and if you have any questions, you can contact us on our About Us page.